When the desire for success does not let you sleep, when there is nothing better for you than hard work, when you do not get tired after working continuously, understand that a new history of success is going to be created. Undoubtedly, Neeraj Chopra has successfully written his name in the history books as he became India's seventh medalist and first gold medalist at the Olympics. Congratulations to him, congratulations to India. Sports has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi presenting today's morning assembly, and we are celebrating National Sports Day today on 29th of August. My dear friends, sportsmanship always leads towards development and growth. National Sports Day is observed around the country to raise the awareness about the value of sports and daily activities in everyone's life, emphasizing the importance of being fit and healthy. This day marks the birthday of Indian hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who brought glory to the country by winning 3 Olympic gold medals. Tributes to Major Dhyan Chand on his birth anniversary. Let us pledge to play every day and make sports the way of life. But it's time to thank the God for everything that He allows into our life and story. This includes the wins as well as losses. Get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. We love our country, and it is important for the citizens of the nation to express their patriotism. Pledge shows that we are all part of one country and we are one people. As it is important part of our morning assembly, I would like to invite Ved for pledge. Thank you, Ved. National Sports Day sends us the message that sports develop a sense of friendliness and team spirit. I would like to invite Jay to share thoughts of sports persons with us. Good morning to all of you. My name is Ved. Today's thought is, an athlete cannot run with money in his pockets. He must run with hope in his heart and dreams in his head. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Jay, for sharing such a nice thought. You can't build up a vocabulary if you never meet any new words. The more words we know, the more clearly and powerfully we will think, and the more ideas we will invite into our minds. And next, I would like to invite Aman Preet for Word of the Day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aman Preet. Word of the day is hurdle. And the meaning of hurdle is an obstacle that you are expected to overcome. Synonym of hurdle is difficulty, complications, and antonym of hurdle is assistance and support. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Amanpreet, for enhancing our vocabulary. General knowledge develops our social, sensitive, reasoning, and analytical thinking skills. It's time to enhance and test our knowledge. For GK quiz, I would like to invite Yashpreet from class 8th. Thank you, Yashpreet, for enhancing our knowledge. If we want to stay up to date and informed about current affairs and happenings across India and around the world, we must listen or read daily news. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Hamid from class 8th. Thank you, Hamid, for giving us today's news update. Major Dhyan Chand dedicated his life to bring honor to the country. His life demonstrates that anyone can win any sport if he put in his best effort and devotion. On the birthday of the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, let us know the importance of sports for us and for our country. Let us know more about National Sports Day of India. Here I would like to invite Ridhan from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Ridhan, for such a knowledgeable and motivational speech. After National Anthem, sports bring everyone together, and through sport we can create a healthy society, and when we have a healthy society, we will surely have a healthy state or a healthy nation. So, it is important for everyone to engage in any form of sports. Let us all enjoy the National Sports Day. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.